Hey guys, so we have Dyson V6 here, and I watched a couple videos on YouTube and they were all saying to clean up this and take the filter out and clean out the filter. So I brushed all these parts to get the dirt out, but I still had a problem. I couldn't get it work on maximum. So I pulled the filter out and I noticed there is two parts over here. So I used the kind of hard business card to just split this and then pull this out just slowly, and you will see all the dirts here. So this is what makes it not working. So yeah, use warm water to just clean this out, and hopefully it should work on maximum power. So first try to wash it from outside so you can get all the dirt out. And then run the water inside and dump it. And let it fully dry before you put it back in the machine.